Hello students, in this statistics we were on probability and on chapter number 1.3 we have completed up to the sixth sum. Now let's today starts from sum number 7. Two aircrafts drop bomb to destroy a bridge. The probability that a bomb dropped from the first aircraft hits the target is 0.9. So that we take as event A, that a bomb dropped from the first aircraft hits the target, that is P of A, that is 1.9. Then after, and the probability that the bomb from the second aircraft hits the target 0.7. So that we take as event B, event that a bomb dropped from the second aircraft hits the target, that is 0.7. The probability of one bomb dropped from both the aircrafts hitting the target is 0.63. Now both the aircraft is given, that means that we take as A intersection B, so that is 0.63, right? दोनों है इसलिए कॉमन 63 निकलेगा. The bridge is destroyed even if one bomb dropped from it. Find the probability that the bridge is destroyed, right? Now what we have to find out, that find the probability that the bridge is destroyed. Now see here how A union B, here how we apply that law of addition of probability. Event A, that is bomb dropped from the first aircraft hits the target, मतलब इसमें भी destroy हो गया होगा. Event B, that a bomb dropped from the second aircraft hits the target, that means इसमें भी ये डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया होगा. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द इवेंट दैट द ब्रिज इज डिस्ट्रॉयड. दोनों में ही डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया, हमें तो सिर्फ सिलेक्ट ही करना है, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ ए यूनियन बी, राइट? लॉ ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी मीन्स कि दोनों इवेंट अकर कर रहे हैं, उसमें से सिर्फ सिलेक्ट करना है. सो वी अप्लाई लॉ ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो पी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल्स टू पी ऑफ ए प्लस पी ऑफ बी माइनस पी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. बस all the values are given, put up the value and find out the answer. Now next sum number 8, that is the probability that a teenager coming from a restaurant for dinner orders pizza is 0.63. So that is our P of A, orders pizza. The probability of ordering cold drink is 0.54. So this is P of B. The probability that the teenager orders at least one out of pizza or cold drink, that is 0.88. Now P of A क्या था? Orders pizza. P of B orders cold drink, right? Next is the probability that the teenager orders at least one out of pizza or cold drink. At least one, या तो pizza और cold drink, right? So दोनों ही वो, अगर दो में से एक भी ऑर्डर वन और मोर, एटलीस्ट दैट मीन्स वन और मोर देन वन, दैट मीन्स एक भी और पिज़्ज़ा और कोल्ड ड्रिंक दोनों में से कोई एक भी ऑर्डर कर सकता है या दोनों भी ऑर्डर कर सकता है. सो दैट वी दिस वी 0.88 वी टेक एज P of A union B, right? P of A union B. Now we have P of A, P of B, P of A union B. So here first of all we find out law of addition of probability. इसमें P of A union B 0.88 दिया है, A intersection B that is not given, so this we find out. So 0.88 is equals to 0.63 plus 0.54 minus P of A intersection B. तो P of A intersection B is equals to this, so ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी, राइट? इसको ये साइड ले जाते, इसको ये साइड ले जाएंगे तो 0.29 आंसर आ जाएगा. अभी आगे what they have said that find the probability that the teenager coming for dinner on a certain day orders only one of the two items from pizza or cold drink. Now another what we have to find out कि या कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर कोई एक ऐसा दिन आया है कि जिसमें वो सिर्फ या कोल्ड ड्रिंक या पिज़्ज़ा दो में से कोई एक ही ऑर्डर करेगा. So that is P of C. Teenager orders only one from pizza or cold drink, right? This is a continuing sum. इवेंट ए क्या था? ऑर्डर्स ओनली पिज़्ज़ा. तो ए डैश क्या था? तो ए डैश क्या बनेगा? नॉट द पिज़्ज़ा. फिर इवेंट बी ऑर्डर्स ओनली कोल्ड ड्रिंक, तो इवेंट बी क्या बनेगा? दैट इवेंट बी डैश क्या बनेगा? नॉट अ कोल्ड ड्रिंक. तो हियर आइदर दिस और दिस, दो में से कोई एक ही ऑर्डर करेगा, तो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी डैश आएगा, ऑर्डर्स पिज़्ज़ा नॉट कोल्ड ड्रिंक। फिर या तो फिर ये कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर करेगा तो ए डैश intersection B, so orders only cold drink not a pizza. Now whenever we take these two equation, we have one formula that is given in that list of formula, that is A intersection B dash union A intersection A dash intersection B. इसका भी ये स्प्लिटिंग है, इसका भी ये स्प्लिटिंग है। अगर आप फॉर्मूला में देखेंगे तो सबकी वैल्यूज ऑलरेडी वी हैव, सो put up values and find out the answer. Sum number 9, that is if A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events in a sample space. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive, that means there are two events are given A and B, so P of A plus P of B is equals to 1 ऐसा होगा, and A union B is equals to U, means whole sample space. Sample space and P of A is equals to 2 P of B, then find P of A. यहाँ पे P of A फाइंड आउट करना है। तो सी म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव एंड एग्जॉस्टिव बोला है, सो P of A यूनियन B इज इक्वल्स टू U. सो P of A प्लस म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव एंड एग्जॉस्टिव, दैट मीन्स P of A प्लस P of B इज इक्वल्स टू 1 हो जाएगा. दिस इज अवर इक्वेशन 1. नाउ दिस इक्वेशन इज गिवन इन द सम. P of A इज इक्वल्स टू 2 P of B. नाउ इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, 2 को हम इधर ले आएंगे, सो P of B इज इक्वल्स टू P of A अपॉन 2, राइट. नाउ वी टेक दिस ओवर हियर, दैट P of A प्लस, नाउ वी पुट P of A अपॉन 2 इन प्लेस ऑफ B, राइट. सो P of A अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. LCM लेंगे, LCM लेके आप सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो आ जाएगा P of A इज इक्वल्स टू 2/3. Now no need to explain and to show that how to take LCM, how to simplify, right? Okay. Sum number 10, that 3 events A, B, C in a sample space are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So that means P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equals to 1. Now equation is given 4P of A is equals to 5P of B is equals to 3P of C. Then find A union C and B union C. Now see, first of all this equation is given, this is equals to x we assume, right, because यहाँ पर value देनी होनी चाहिए, so not given, so we take as x. Now we split this, so 4P of A is equals to x, 5P of B is equals to x, 3P of C is equals to x. Now transfer this 4 over here, 5 over here, 3 over here, so it becomes like this, right. Now this is mutually exclusive and exhaustive is given, that means P of A union B union C is equals to P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equals to 1 is given. So now we play values of P of A, P of B, P of C, this we have. So now we put up these values, so x by 4, x by 5, x by 3 is equals to 1. Now take LCM, LCM से ये बना, right, simplify this, so x is equals to 60 upon 47 we get, value of x we get. Now we put this value of x into this find out value, right. P of A is equals to x by 4, so 60 upon 47 upon 4, तो 47 को हम नीचे ले लेंगे, right. so हो जाएगा 15 upon 47 because 15 4s are 60, so 15 upon 47. P of B is equals to x upon 5, 60, यहाँ पे मैंने डायरेक्ट 47 नीचे ही ले लिया, so 60 upon 5 into 47, so 12 5s are 60, so it becomes 12 upon 47. Now P of C, x by 3, so 60 upon 3 into 47 comes 20 upon 47. So now we have values of P of A, P of B, P of C. Now we find out P of A union C and P of B union C. Union that means addition. So P of A plus P of C ये बनेगा. Union that means addition. Union means दोनों मिला के जो बने sample space वो. So मिला के that means addition. So P of A we have value for 15 upon 47. P of C we have value 20 upon 47. Add this, take LCM or add this, so it comes 35 upon 47. Now P of B union C, that is also addition. P of B plus P of C, 12 upon 47, 20 upon 47. ये रही दोनों की वैल्यू. नाउ add this, so So it becomes 32 upon 47. Sum number 11 now, that P of A union B union C using the information about three events A, B, C in a sample space. P of A is equals to 0.65, 0.45, 0.25. P of A intersection B is equals to 0.25. A intersection C is equals to 0.5. P of B intersection C is equals to 0.2, and P of A intersection B intersection C is equals to 0.5. This is an easy sum. Just write down the formula and put up values and find out answer. ये law of addition of probability में whenever three events are given, at that time we write down this formula. This formula we have already seen in the previous video. So all the values are given, so put up the values and find out the answer. Next, sum number 12, that is three events A, B, C in a sample space are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. If P of C dash, that is 0 and 0.8, and 3 P of B is equals to 2 P of A dash, and then find P of A and P of B. First of all, in the sum number 12, P of C dash is given. So now we find out P of C. So 1 minus P of C dash, 1 minus 0.8 comes 0.2. 3 P of B is equals to 2 P of A dash. इसको आगे simplify करेंगे, ये रहा. First of all, dash means 1 minus P of A. So 3 P of B is equals to 2 minus 2 in bracket 1 minus P of A. 2 को हम इधर मल्टीप्लाई करें अंदर इनर साइड. 3 P of B is equals to 2 minus 2 P of A. So P of B is equals to. Now take this 3 into the division. So 2 minus 2 P of A upon 3. Now इसको और आगे simplify नहीं करेंगे. So A, B and C are now mutually exclusive and exhaustive. That means 1 P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equals to 1. Right? Now P of A. What is the value of P of A? Value of P of A, that is not given. So write down P of A as it is. P of B is new value. Right? So write down this 2 minus 2 P of A upon C, and P of C, that we have find out. See, P of C, that is 0.2. ये रहा 0.2, right? Okay. So now simplify this more. 3 P of A minus 2 P of B. ये 3 P of A minus 2 P of B comes 1 P of A. So this is 1 P of A plus 2 upon 3 is equals to 1 minus 0.2 comes 0.8. इसको यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो P of A plus 2 is equals to 0.8 multiplied by 3. Now take this 2 into the take this 2 over on this other side, it becomes minus 2. So P of A is equals to 0.8 multiplied by 3 comes to 0.4. Minus 2 comes P of A 0.4. So now we have value of P of A. P of A तो मिल गया. Now we find out P of B. P of B का हम किस तरह से वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करें? We have find out this equation. We take that same equation. P of B is equals to 2 minus 2 P of A upon 3. P of A's value now we have, that is 0.4. So 2 minus 2 into 0.4 upon 3. P of B is equals to 0.4. Right? So this is our second answer for P of B. So write down all these sums in your notebook. Do solve again. Right? Try to solve again yourself. First of all, you watch the video and try to solve all these sums by yourself again and write down this in your notebook. Right? Okay. So see you everyone.